HUAQUAN Power, a professional manufacturer of power generation equipment, engineering, and energy storage plants. With years of experience in global markets, we guarantee product quality, offer competitive pricing, and provide end-to-end service from procurement to export. Effortlessly manage the entire process with us. We firmly believe that mutually beneficial cooperation is the key to sustainable business growth. Our products reach Russia, Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, and beyond. As a national-level specialized enterprise with 15 years of experience, we deliver complete power solutions. Full industry chain advantages create competitive edges. Our 40,000 Sladam-32 smart factory in Weifang has secured 180-plus core patents since its establishment in 2010. We integrate R&D, system engineering, and full-chain capabilities to develop customized solutions, tackling energy challenges through market-specific approaches. We offer tailored product portfolios and global service networks, supported by 24/7 emergency response. HUAQUAN's breakthrough showcases China's manufacturing evolution, transitioning from equipment export to integrated solutions with localized services.